Meet C-Rebro Alpha, a neuroscience-based headband designed to help you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake with a clearer, more restored mind. The C-Rebro Alpha is a smart headband that monitors your sleep with near laboratory-grade precision. Using the latest bone conduction technology, C-Rebro Alpha stimulates the brain with frequencies so low you can't hear or feel them. Over 5 years of research, the idea for a device which directly supports faster and better quality sleep was born. Meet the neuroscientist and sleep medicine specialist who conceived the idea.
While studying sleep medicine at Oxford, I realized that many technologies had already been tested to improve sleep with great success, but very little of that science had actually reached everyday people. More than a century ago, inventors like Tesla were exploring how frequency and vibration shape the physical world. Neuroscience now shows that carefully timed sensory stimulation can influence how deeply we sleep and how restored and mentally clear we feel the next day.
At sleep onset, C-Rebro Alpha calms your brain's activity so you can fall asleep up to 75% faster. C-Rebro adapts to your brain's sleep state using carefully timed stimulation to support deeper, more restorative slow-wave sleep, increasing the depth of sleep by up to 40%.
As a sleep medicine specialist, I'm fascinated by the extraordinary complexity of the brain and how these subtle shifts in frequency can have profound effects in our sleep and on our lives. After years of study, we know sleep is not one size fits all. C-Rebro combines your sleep data with your behavioral feedback to personalize stimulation and guidance over time. The more information gathered, the better the system adapts to improve your sleep patterns.
With C-Rebro's targeted lucidity reactivation mode, you can increase your chances of lucid dreaming by up to 50%, opening the door to greater dream awareness, creative insights, and mental neuroplasticity. And for those who want to dream together, the C-Rebro Alpha Inception system can cue two people into lucid dreaming when their dream stages are in sync. The system can even wake you both up just after dreaming, so the experience is still vivid enough to share.
So it was a very nice experience. My body and my mind felt like it was very easy to drift off. I had no idea how it's going to happen. It was more like waves, like very gentle waves. Yeah, as if I've had some very relaxing tea. That's partly how it felt, plus the visuals. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be that relaxing and actually work in that way. So, great experience.
Each morning, the C-Rebro app uses your sleep efficiency score and the behavioral patterns you log over time to give you actionable guidance.
What we aim to achieve is that C-Rebro becomes a guide to you and teaches you how to sleep better, how to improve your sleeping patterns, and so that you can really improve and have your best sleep.
Created by the neuroscientists, biomedical engineers, and medtech specialists of Gamma Wave Technologies Limited, C-Rebro now brings lab-inspired sleep technology into everyday life. Back C-Rebro Alpha today and dare to dream of better sleep.